Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your SONY Xperia I Mark II, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your Xperia, and we have to download application to transfer data. I recommend you to get application named CLONEit. It's really easy to use and totally free, you don't have to pay for it. So let's install this application and do this on the second smartphone also. I just got it, so right now I can open it on the both devices. Click here allow, and then tap on the yes, agree, and on the center tap set, turn on location, and then just go back. And as you can see, we are back in the settings, but we want to be of course in this application, so click here, find the background application, swipe one more time, click here, and here we are. Tap sender on the Android phone. Right here we have to also turn on the location, click sender one more time, and right now we can tap on the receiver on the Xperia, click allow, click search again, and right now just wait a little bit. This is our Android phone, so click on it, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, click on it, then tap on the allow, grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code, accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then click start. But if you want to send only some details, like one picture, 2-3 videos, one song or something like that, go for the details. And for example, I'm going for the music right here, and I'm going to send maybe this 2 songs, so select, click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!